Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about how to create a new website by the use of Visual Studio. Okay, before going to that, if you have any doubts on .NET or ASP.NET, please watch my previous videos in my channel. Okay, let's go into the session.
Okay, let's check how we can create a new website in Visual Studio. Okay, let's start with Visual Studio. Just open your Visual Studio. Okay, I have installed 2012. So go to Visual Studio and open your Visual Studio. Create an Visual Studio homepage like this. Here you can see start like new project, open project. This is start page. So here you can see the application you have already created with the use of Visual Studio. That is a recent application you can see here. Also you can see new project, open project. New project is for creating new application, and open project is used to create the project which has been already created. So like that. So for creating a website, you have to go to file, then there you have to click new. From new, you will get options like project, website, etc. So you have to click on website here. So let's see what will happen. So you will get a lot of things like ASP.NET empty website, ASP.NET web form site, etc. So if you select ASP.NET web form site, you will have some already created some pages and all will be there. If you go with that, you will get some idea about on that. I am going with empty website, so you will not get anything. Only uh, empty application will get. Let's go with that. Okay, ASP.NET empty website. Click on that. Okay, first you have to select a folder where you want to save your application. That is project G drive. Under G drive, you have to give select project, and you have to give a name also. I will give it as test website. Okay. Okay. Now let's see test website. Okay. So from here you can see a config file is there. This config file you can see which framework I have used. Those informations are there, and lot of many things we can do with the use of web config file. Here that we can discuss in later section. So first we can learn how we can create a new ASP form here. Okay, let's see. So what you have to do is you have to right click over here, then yeah, you will get an add option here. So click on add, then you will get add new item option here. So go there, then you will have an option like this. These are many SPX control you will have. So you can select any of that according to your use. Now I need web form. Okay. So I am giving it as default SPX itself. So the web form name will be that one. If you want to change your name, like if you want to change it as home, then you will get that uh, page with that name. Okay, just click on add. Okay, now it has been created. So it will automatically create some of the HTML files like HTML keywords like HTML head, body. Those structure will be there. What you have to do is you have to give a title name. So I am giving it as my website. Okay, here. So what you have to do is here I am going to create a login form. O- Okay, so let us see how it will look. So I am planning for a login form with two text boxes, username and password. So let's see how we can create that one. So in the left side, you will see a toolbox there. So go to the toolbox. Then here you can see the lot of controls there: list box, panel, text box, etc. First I am creating a panel. Okay, sorry, this panel should be under the div. Okay, actually, how if you are having some problem like in the source, you can change it as design. So this is the source section. You can go to design section. First of all, you can go to design section. Okay, uh, then here you have to put a panel here. Okay, under the panel you have to drag and drop. Here all the controls are drag and drop, so you have to drag and drop a text box here. Okay, also you have to drag and drop a label here. Okay, label is for naming. Okay, wait, first we can give a label. Okay, so what we have to give the name. So the user need to see the label name as what you have to see username. So here in the label, the right hand side, you can see the properties of all the labels. Okay, that label, uh, all of the properties of that label. So here you will get an option, text option. So you have to mention the name which you want to display for the user. So here I am going to give it as username. Okay, fine, now it came. Okay, then you want to give a text box there to type username. So you have to go to the toolbox and select the text box and drag and drop text box there. Okay, the next what we have to do, to go to source, check this is under first panel. Okay, so what next we have to do is we have to create one more panel. Okay, go to toolbox, then uh, you have to find panel, then click over here and put a panel here. Okay, the second panel here. So go to source, check panel is empty. Okay, then toolbox, come to toolbox, and uh, wait 1 second, go to design and come to toolbox and put a label over there. Okay, the same process, you have to give um, the name which you with the user need to see. So you have to change the text as whichever you want. So here I am changing it as password. Okay, now you can see this password. Okay, and you have to drag and drop one text box also for entering the password. So drag and drop a text box here. Okay, so username and password. So these are not in it is not aligned properly. So for aligning this, go to source, then you can give a width for the label. Okay, fixed width. Okay, then you can give width equal to 150 pixel. Okay, the same width you can give it to here also, this label also. Okay, and the password test should be entering in password mode. So what you have to do is you have to go here and give test mode as password. Okay, so make it as password. Okay, okay, so I think my first panel actually it should end here. Actually, when we have drag and drop that one, it came here. So make it as here. Okay, now as p first panel is this one, second panel is this one. Okay, now go to design. Now you can see it has been it is aligned properly. Okay, now we need a button control. Okay, let's see how we can create a button. Go to toolbox. Here in the toolbox, you need to find a button control. Okay, now we can see a button here. So drag and drop that button over here. Okay, let's see the source. Okay, button. You just cut the source code. from here to just below the panel. Okay, panel ending. So now let's see the design. So button control came under password. So this is my design. Okay, now we can see the username, password, and button all are aligned properly, and button we need to give a name as login. Okay, see this. Okay, now I want to give a title for this. Okay, just give div style as div style font bold 25 pixel and Vardhana. Okay, see. Wait. You have to close the div here. Okay, you have to give a title name. So first of all, we need one div here also. We have to create a new div here. Okay. So in the inside the div, you have to give login details. Okay, login details. Okay, so login details. Now we can see how our decision will be. Now this game is login details. Under that one, username, password, and login button. Okay, this is the design I need in my application. Okay, now we have completed our ASP.NET website design. So next we have to execute our code. Okay, now let's see how we can execute our code in Visual Studio. For that, you have to go here, the play button. So if you click over here, you will get options like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. So you can select any of the browser and execute your code. Okay, so actually I have given Google Chrome as default in Visual Studio, so that's why it came like that. Okay, so let's execute our code. I'm clicking over here. Now, yeah, now I can see my home.spx page loaded in my browser. Here I can see my website as a title name, and under login details I can see username and password. Username, let we can give some, that is SDF. I have given SDF, how it is game, and I am giving password SDF123. Yeah, it is coming like in the password mode. Yeah, now it is working properly. This is our login button. So everything is come like what we have designed in Visual Studio. So this is an example of ASP.NET Web.
This concludes our today's session on creating ASP.NET website. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.